Welcome to our Christmas video. We're going to be making our some crafts. 1, 2, 3.
Happy holidays! And even though it's winter, we're 100 summers. And please subscribe and like and comment. Let us know what you think. We made these last year. These are made out of little jewelry boxes. We've got some today,
I found this one.
Okay, well you can tell how we made these. We made them pretty quick. We used little trees. These trees have a bluish hue to them.
That's okay.
Oh, by the way, did you notice that we're reindeer? I'm Mama.
I'm Rudolph.
I'm Mama. Now we're going to make some new ones today. Let's see, we can use this for the night sky.
I need scissors.
Oh, scissors.
I am Rudolph in the night sky. I got my little antlers. Wiggle, wiggle, whoa. Wiggle, wiggle.
Alright, there's scissors.
Wiggle.
Oh my goodness.
Ow.
Our whole place is destroyed for this tiny little video right here. We have all the lights on in the whole place, and
we finally made it happen.
We made it happen.
Yeah. And
it's dark outside. Ooh, what a pretty sunset.
Yeah.
But hopefully there's enough light. We have a lot of lights on.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that looks cool. Are you going to measure?
I don't know. Almost. Actually.
What's a good Oh, look, this is a good way to measure if we had a pencil. Luckily, there was one close by.
Dolphy, Dolphy, do.
Excuse me. Okay, I'm going to trace mine. Are you going to trace yours?
How?
I'm holding the box. And I know I need to cut a tiny bit smaller so it'll fit inside, not outside. Here's my backdrop. Could have cut it smaller, but that's okay. So it's like a night sky. This one, I used tissue paper. I don't remember if you did that one or me. Tissue paper, and then that was sparkly glue. But we have sparkly paper, so we don't even need glue. Awesome. And also, I'm going to put snow on the bottom. This is all
the snow I need.
And this snow is like stuffing, like
stuffing from my dog.
Is it from your dog? Not real dog. You want to put that here? Watch your fingers. You were saying you wanted to make like a reindeer. Did you find any brown clay?
Yep.
Oh, look at come over here. Your Christmas tree's attached to your Rudolph outfit. Put it on camera so they could see. It's hysterical. Come over here. Oh, careful. All right.
If last time you had 2 little trees in the woods.
I'm gonna do one little tree in the woods. It's so pretty. I think I want to do some blue on the sides too.
Come burrito samanero camino de Belén. Come burrito samanero camino de Belén. Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. El lucerito mañanero ilumina mi sendero. El lucerito mañanero ilumina mi sendero. It's about a boy and his donkey.
Ouch!
Whatever.
So it's about a boy and his
donkey.
What are you making there?
The body of my reindeer.
Oh.
And I'm just working with clay over here. Yay, I love clay. Look how it's doing.
Oh, it's so tiny. Wow, show that on camera. It's so little.
The little tail, you can't really see it from the photo.
Oh, it's so cute. I wish we could bake it and then it would be hard, but I think the legs would hurt. Oh, maybe I'll decorate the top. These are like sticky.
Look at one little antler.
Look!
And I have almost finished my scene.
All right, and me too. So I'm just gonna hole punch on the top, and I want to two holes, and I want to do it centered. So I'm just gonna make two holes. This would have been better to do before I put that trim on, but I didn't have a plan.
Good.
There we go.
And it got stuck.
You have to just pull it off.
Can I do mine?
Yeah.
Right here?
Wherever you, so I did two to put the string
I
through.
know.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the
String. All right. Let's see.
And
Alrighty. Do you want me to hot glue the tree in there?
yeah.
Do you like the cotton covering the tree like that?
Yeah, because it looks like it kind of went a little around the tree.
Okay, so I'm putting glue behind your reindeer.
We also made these. They're a scene inside of a ornament.
Let us know what you think of these. It's pretty simple to make. I think these make nice gifts.
But I'm not good at them.
Not? That's the thing when you get find a really good gift for somebody. You're like, oh, should I give that away? Or maybe I'll buy one for them and one for me. Okay, so we're just gonna snip off these ends and make it nice and clean. You wanna do it?
This one's fine. That's good. It looks nice and pretty.
Hang yours on the tree. Oh, so cute. All right.
Well, goodbye.
There we have it.